Hi everyone, welcome to the magazine cover practice assignment that we're going to be working on in Photoshop. The purpose of this assignment is to create a magazine cover featuring Adam Levine for GQ magazine that looks just like mine. Afterwards in our class, we are going to do the project version of this where you're going to get to be a little bit more creative and create your own magazine cover with whoever you'd like on it. So to start off, we're going to create a new file. We're going to go ahead and click new file at the top, and we're going to set our unit to pixels with a width of 600, height of 800, resolution of 300 pixels per inch, and our color mode set to CMYK. To start off, we're going to go ahead and place the image of Adam Levine that we need first. To do that, we'll go to File, Place Embedded, and then if you're prompted to place from Creative Cloud, you're going to click on your computer. You're going to find the image of Adam Levine wherever you have that saved, and you're going to click Place. We're going to go ahead and just make this large enough to where his arms are barely on the canvas, and I'll pull it to the bottom and check mark to confirm. Now we're going to go ahead and select Adam Levine and add a layer mask to our layer so that it appears that he has a transparent background. To do this, I'm going to go to Select and then Subject. And I'm noticing that there's a little part of his neck that it didn't grab. So what I'm going to do is go to the lasso tool, which is L on your keyboard as the shortcut. To add to our selection with the lasso tool, we would hold Shift, and to subtract, we would hold Option. So in this case, I'm going to hold Shift, and I'm going to click and drag my own custom selection to add this back to his neck. Now that it looks good, I'm going to go ahead and add a layer mask to this layer so that the background disappears and we have Adam Levine on his own. I'll go ahead and click the layer mask button, and you'll see that now it looks like there is no background. On that note, we are also going to delete this background layer. We're just going to click it and then click the trash can to get rid of it. And we're going to add our own solid color fill as a background. So I'll go to my adjustment layers and I'll click solid color. We're going to set it to white. It's going to appear as if Adam Levine has disappeared, but that's okay because the layer is just on top. And we're going to pull that color fill layer down. Now we're going to go ahead and add our GQ logo in. So I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to find the GQ logo wherever you saved it. It's probably in your downloads, and click Place. I'm going to go ahead and resize this, make it smaller, and put it on the top right corner. And I'm going to place it in such a way where a little bit of the GQ logo looks like it's coming off the canvas. And then check mark. Now we're going to make a copy of that GQ logo. You can do it one of two ways. You can go to your Move tool, hold Option, and click and drag it. Or we can go to Layer, Duplicate Layer, and press OK. Now we're going to rename this layer to Watermark. It's going to serve as our watermark. We're going to go ahead and change the size of it. We're going to make it much larger and rotate it slightly. You can free transform by hitting Command T, or you can go to Edit, Free Transform. Then I'm going to rotate it, and I'm going to blow it up and make it much larger. You can rotate it whichever way you want, as long as it's big. That looks good to me. I'll just scoot it over a bit, and then I'll confirm. And now we're going to set the layer opacity to 7%. I'll go to opacity right here, type the number 7, and hit enter. That's it for the first part of the magazine exercise. I'll see you in the next one.